Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex here coming at you with another video. I know it's been quite a long time. I feel like I've almost forgotten how to do this, like talk to the camera and edit videos and stuff, because it's been a minute. But basically, to give you a quick update, I've been traveling a lot, been very busy. I went on a trip recently, flew into Vegas, did a road trip through Arizona and Utah, went to all 5 national parks in Utah plus the Grand Canyon. And if you'd like to see some of that, some of the pictures I took, I'll have my Instagram link down below. I also graduated from a software development boot camp. I was doing that for about 6 months, and I recently landed my first job in the software development industry, so I've been really busy working on that. If anyone out there is looking to get into software development and has any questions or anything, feel free to comment below, send me a message. I can answer directly, or I can even make a video on it if you guys would want. So I'm here to make a pickups video, just real quick, some stuff I've gotten recently. And I'm going to do a review on one of the items that I got as well. Just throw a review in there and kind of mesh it into one video. First pickup I got were these sun shorts. They are a Just Don knockoff. So they're Phoenix Sun shorts. You see the Suns logo here, which is stitched in. And down on here, you'll see the Phoenix and a patch as well. And over here, we have the NBA logo. Just Don shorts are like $500, which I will not spend on shorts, and so I got these for about $70. I highly recommend, if you find someone who makes a good kind of knockoff quality, I highly recommend getting them because they're super comfortable. I'm not a Suns fan or anything, but I just really like the look of the shorts. I'm a Knicks fan, but I didn't want to buy white shorts. So getting right into it, the first item I want to review and kind of show you my pickups are these Patagonia baggy shorts. So these are the Patagonia baggy shorts in the 7-inch size. I'm 6'2", so I didn't want to get the 5-inch size. These are perfect for me. Being 6'2", they ride up right above my knee, and then I can even kind of pull them up a bit higher if I want to show more of my leg. But essentially, they are made of 100% recycled polyester, and so one great thing about them is they're kind of water resistant. I actually spilled wine on these on the plane when I was drinking and when I was on my flight, and it beaded and rolled right off. So that's a nice feature to them. I use them for hiking. I bought them for my hiking trip in Utah. They were a perfect short, they were very comfortable, very lightweight, very breathable. And they can also be used for something such as swimming. So you can use these for board shorts as well. On the inside, they have a mesh right here, a mesh lining. So you can go without wearing like boxers or briefs or anything. I personally still wear briefs underneath, but that feature is there in case you would like to forego boxers or briefs. The side pockets are super deep. So if you see my hand is in the pocket, it goes almost to the bottom, so nothing will fall out of these pockets, which is really great. And then you also have a pocket on the back with a button to snap it in case you want to put anything in there and not have it come out and get lost. I wear a size 32 waist, and I have the size medium short. Once again, have the 7-inch inseam, and they also have a tie here, so if you need to pull them tighter or you want to have them a little bit looser, you have the ability to do that as well. My quick review for these would be, they're one of my favorite shorts ever. You can wear them, like I said, hiking and swimming, but they're also great shorts to just hang out in, go out in. Obviously they're not formal, but if you're just going out and hanging out, they're a great short to have as well. When I was in New York City recently, I picked up a plain black pair. Just, I love the color black. I love black clothes, and they're a bit more discreet than, wearing these. So I like them so much, I went and got another pair. They are $55, and they are sold out of a lot of colors and sizes on Patagonia's website. So you can also get these from backcountry.com. They have a lot of different sizes and colors, and that's where I got this pair here. So when I was in New York City last week, I did some shopping. Some other pickups I got were from Uniqlo, and I got 4 pairs of different color socks, which not that exciting, so I'm not going to show. But I got this nice tee. I love Uniqlo's just plain t-shirts. I have multiple other t-shirts from them, and they last a really long time, and they're pretty good quality for the price. This is a heavier shirt, and this one was $14.50, so I thought that was a really good pickup. I really like this color. I've been trying to switch out of getting all black clothes because I have so many black t-shirts that it can be hard to match with my shorts sometimes if I'm also wearing dark shorts. Once again, going with the theme of moving away from black shirts, I got this cool white tee. I don't own a lot of white tees, so I wanted to get this one, and it's just a Basquiat tee with a Basquiat piece on the front, and so I really, really like this one. Super soft, great quality, and it was only $19.50, so highly recommend getting some things from Uniqlo if you're just looking for some simple pieces. Alright, so moving along, trying to keep this video as short as possible. My next two and last two pickups are from my favorite brand, Kith. So every time I try to shop at Kith online, the stuff sells out when it's in my cart. I can never get anything. So when I went to the store, I knew they wouldn't have all the different pieces that I want in my size, but I basically asked the employee there, like, hey, can you just bring me anything Kith in my size? So this is one of the things that the employee brought to me. It's just a Kith, it's a long sleeve shirt. It's kind of like a teal mint type color, and it has a box logo on the front with kind of a felt material with cutouts for KITH. And I thought it was fitting for the time because it is their Olympic collection, and so it says USA on the back and has the Olympic rings. I also have a vintage snapback that I love wearing. It's from the 1996 Olympics in Atlanta, and my dad's friend gave it to him and I got it from him, and so I thought it'd be nice to kind of pair with this long sleeve shirt. This one retailed for $88. And then lastly, we have this Kith hoodie. I live in Florida, so I won't be able to wear this for quite a long time as it's summer here and it won't get cool for a while, but I did want to get it for trips and stuff too. It is, I believe, the Kith Williams 3 hoodie in Astro. So I really liked it because it can match with a lot. It's just this nice kind of like grayish brown color with a little bit of a faded look to it. You'll see these white marks pattern all over it, so it's got that faded look, and it has the Kith logo embroidered right over here. So just really simple, but I love Kith hoodies. I love the quality. The other one that I own is really heavy and this one's lighter, so I figured it was a nice kind of balance. I had to get it in the XXL size because they were out in my size of extra large, but it worked for this one because I guess the Kith Williams 3 hoodie can be a little bit shorter and more boxy, so the length is perfect, and the sleeves bunch up a little and kind of gives it that oversized look, which I really like, and the hood is thin but definitely big enough to fit over my head. So this one was $165, and I really, really love this pickup. And my final pickup is what I've been wearing on my head this whole time, which is this Patagonia hat. It retails for about $45 or $50. And it's probably my favorite hat I own. I wear it all the time. It's super lightweight and breathable, excuse my hat hair. So yeah, it's got this super lightweight material in the back with a Velcro strap as well. And it's great because when you're out hiking and stuff, it provides nice breathability. And even if you get like sweat marks and stuff on it, I've just put it under the faucet with soap and water, and you don't have to worry about ruining the hat. I've already washed this multiple times and it still looks brand new. Anyway guys, that's it. Hope I went fast enough. I know no one really likes to watch long YouTube videos, so I try to go as quick as I could. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other types of videos you want to see from me, anything fashion related, anything software development related, and also anything photo related. Also, shout out to my new subscribers. I saw I've been getting some new subscribers lately, which is cool, even though I haven't been making videos. So thank you to you guys, and thank you for everyone who tunes in and watches and takes the time out of their day. Anyway, my time is up. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.